Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. So today is January the 6th morning. It's a morning time here. It's around 9 o'clock in the morning. So we're gonna make some breakfast, which I'm going to make a fruit smoothie. Guys, welcome to my vlog. So we're gonna make a fruit smoothie. First thing, we're gonna put some bananas in our blender. One bananas, just roughly put in there. And mixed fruits. Walmart brand. I have all these glass fruits to put, so I'm just gonna put that. And a handful of blueberries. Of course, I have some frozen pineapple that I did it the other day, so we're gonna put that there too. Just a few. And then we're gonna mix more of that the next day. We're not gonna put any sugar. We'll just pour that orange juice, and there we go. I have to blend it really good. So we're done. We're gonna pour our just like that. And so now we're gonna drink our smoothie. Good. This is full of vitamins, antioxidant. Thank you for watching, guys. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. You can leave your comment down below. Thank you so much for watching and see you on my next video. Bye.